wondered why we feel enormously relieved after scratching an annoying itch? Why do we itch in the first place? Let's find out. An itch is a sensation caused by stimulation of nerve cells in the skin. It can feel like a burning sensation, a slightly electrical or periodic non-painful sensation, or like something is crawling along the skin. The average person experiences dozens of individual itches each day. They can be triggered by all sorts of things including allergic reactions, dryness, or even some diseases. And then there's some mysterious ones that pop out of nowhere for no reason at all, or just from talking about itching. Acute itches are usually caused by biting insects or allergic chemicals in the skin. After detecting this stimuli, cells in the skin called keratinocytes communicate with immune cells between the layers of the skin. In order to clear away any potential invading pathogens, the immune cells release chemicals such as histamine, serotonin, and proteases. These then activate sensory fibers which initiate transmission of a warning message. So why does scratching feel so good? When we scratch, the action of our fingernails on the skin causes a low-level pain signal that overrides the itching sensation. It is almost like a distraction which creates a sensation of relief. These pain signals also release serotonin in the brain, which feels good. But serotonin also resets the itch signal. In some cases, this can create a never-ending itch-scratch cycle. This vicious itch-scratch cycle becomes a serious problem for patients with dry skin and dermatological conditions such as atopic dermatitis. This is because excessive scratching damages your skin or causes a secondary infection such as a fungal infection which might just worsen the itching. Itching is an inherently annoying sensation and it is very hard to resist scratching and itch. While it can be a nuisance, itching actually serves as an important sensory and self-protective mechanism as do other skin sensations such as touch, pain, vibration, cold, and heat. It can alert us to harmful external agents but can also become unbearable if not treated. So here are some ways to alleviate the annoyance and ditch the itch. Don't scratch. As hard as that sounds, it can often amplify the intensity of the itch, and that is why it is important to identify the underlying cause of the itch so that it can be treated. Moisturize. If the skin is dry, restoring the skin barrier with therapeutic moisturizers is extremely important and can provide fairly quick relief. Find good anti-itch creams which contain pramoxine, capsaicin, and menthol. Use antihistamines. Antihistamines are another popular option to relieve itching related to allergies and other skin conditions such as hives. Over-the-counter and oral antihistamines include non-drowsy products such as Allerga and Claritin. You can also use Benadryl or clotrimazole, but proceed with caution. These products can cause drowsiness. Apply a cold pack. It can help calm itchy skin. To avoid continuous itching, it is important to occupy your hands so that you're not unconsciously scratching. A stress ball or activities that occupy the hands so that they cannot be tempted to scratch and itch might just be helpful. If you know the source of the itch, choosing the right remedy can help accelerate the healing process. However, if you're not sure what is causing it, a trip to your doctor or a dermatologist is in order. That is because there's no one-size-fits-all answer to stopping an itch or preventing scratching. With the proper diagnosis, you'll be able to find an effective treatment for your itch. Researchers are also searching for genes involved in itching and developing treatments to try and block the pathway of an itch in extreme cases. Well, that's all for today's video. So if you enjoyed this video, do like, comment, and subscribe to Explorified. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye!